Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new 2024 Hot Wheels. Today we have number 7 of 250. And let's see, do you see that clearly? Number 1 of 10 in the Hot Wheels First Response series. It's a 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Hot Wheels Airlines Runway Marshall. Car 2. Marshall gets a Charger. Nice. Be the first on the scene with these emergency response vehicles. Let's get this open, see how cool it is. I'm really digging the color. They call that runway green. Oh, the gray and the wheels look really nice. Driving is on the left. You can see in there. Nice detail. Blue windows, little tinted, but nice and gray in there so you can really see. I like that. No speakers though. Just can't tune out in the police car. Police-ish. All that green is metal with the tampos, obviously. Plastic bottom. Give you $1 million if you can guess where it was made. Alright, I don't have $1 million, but Malaysia. Okay, they weren't all really free rolling. This one was like kind of sticking, but now it is. Now it is a free roller. Woo! Straight roller. At least straight enough. Oh, just perfect. Oh, kind of slower. Yeah. It's a rail rider on it. The front way, squeezing the juice. Now backwards. Yeah. Look at rail riding. Whoop. All right. Does it drift? It has to drift. It's a police car. Oh, bounce and roll. Nice. Everything matters where it lands and how it strikes its pose too. At the end of that skid is always something I'm looking through. I want to see something really cool happen, like not like that. Ready? Oh, that was okay, I guess. This one don't have the perfect one, but that was okay. It's a good drifter, but it's not doing what I'm talking about right now. Oh, it's not. There we go. Nice skid right there, like it did it on purpose. All right. I'm digging it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. %89 of you are not subscribed when you watch. That means you're not playing by the rules. You gotta subscribe. Appreciate every one of you. Till next time. T10 out. Perfect.